So now I've received 110% hike on my current CTC. SkilloVilla was the same platform which I was opting to join for. Hi, I'm Supreeth from Cambridge, a certified data scientist and a mechanical engineer graduate from Acharya Institute of Technology, Bangalore. With my brother, who is a computer science engineer, I gained insights and information on cloud computing, computer networking, coding. So, where I've been a part of TCS for the past 3 years as well, where I utilized all these technologies working as a developer and a data engineer. So, my recent experience as a cloud data engineer allowed me to develop passion and enjoy working in the data domain, which led me to further explore more opportunities that are available in the data sector. So after I did my research on the positions that were available in the data domain, like data analyst, business analyst, or the data scientist, which were in the trending phase. So I started continuing my research on searching for the organizations that can provide me a better learning platform or course that is structured, where I can have interaction with the mentors. What I understood was there are two types of organizations that I can join. One where the course is structured, the courses are available 24/7 to develop our skills with self-learning, and in the other hand, there are organizations that gives you a timeline that allows you to have interaction with people who are certified or who are experienced, where I can speak out and ask about the doubts that I have. So SkilloVilla was the same platform which I was opting to join for, and also the financial affordability that the SkilloVilla gave me was also the upper hand that allowed me to decide that okay, this is where I'll be joining. It's very important for a person to understand how, as a data scientist, data analyst, or data engineer working in this domain, it's very important for a person to understand to write a code or the requirements in a very structured manner. So, as a data engineer, I know that the key concepts that we need to master is the data warehousing and the database concepts and optimizing the queries. So, instead of writing queries, lengthy queries, it's better to use the available packages or use the most structured way of writing these queries and getting the task done. So this particular data science learning, whichever I have completed here, it has helped me to understand how an algorithm works, what algorithm works in what way, and how the LLMs basically works. So now I've received 110% hike on my current CTC. So the skills and the experience that I've gained here, the certification, everything has allowed me to clear the interview in a very exceptional manner, providing the insights and information and all the learning that I've made here, explaining this and exposing my experience ever has allowed me to gain this 110% hike, which is a huge amount for my scenario. And also this, very thanks to SkilloVilla for giving me all the insights and the required information on this part. Thank you.
Collaborate with the SkilloVilla community today.